All right, Math Unit 5, Lesson 4, in the class activity page 336. We are going to focus on writing multiplication and division word problems today. Now, once you hear word problems, you're probably thinking, oh no, but they make it pretty simple on here, all right? So our directions up on top. Solve, then circle what type it is and what operation you use. So you have two things to circle here. Let's look at number 1 to start us out. Students in Mr. Till's class hung their paintings on the wall. They made 6 rows with 5 paintings in each row. How many paintings did the students hang? All right, well, let's solve it first. If I wanted to draw it out, I could say 6 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5 in each row. And say 5, 6. 5 times 6 is 30. So how many paintings did the students hang? 30 paintings. But now I need to decide what type this is and which operation we used. Is it an array, repeated groups, or area? 6 rows, 5 paintings in each row. How many total? I could have filled this in. And what type of drawing did we make? We drew an array. So I'll circle an array. Did we multiply or divide? We multiplied. So your operation is multiplication and it is an array problem. So on number 2, they ask you to write your own problem that's the same type as problem 1. So they don't want you to do the exact same thing as number 1, but they want it to be an array and multiplication. So a good tip for that, it'll talk about how many rows and how many columns or how many in each row. So I might say, and you can use these same numbers if you want, or you can use new numbers, that's up to you. So I might say, Miss Ronigan, I'll put Miss R, arranged desks in 3 rows. She put 4 desks in each row. And how many desks are there altogether? Okay, I'll write how many desks are there altogether. Don't forget your question mark at the end. Okay, so I would solve this. It is an array because I'm talking about rows and how many in each row. And I need to multiply because I need to find how many all together. So I am putting them all together. And so I would have 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 desks. Okay? Just like that. So you can go through number 3, 4, 5, and so on. Remember, not all of them might be multiplications or array. You really got to think about what they're asking and how you're going to solve it, okay? And then you can go on to the next page here. On number 11 here, you won't have space on the back to write it, so just cross it out, okay? They give you a few lines here, so you might have to write small or write underneath if you don't have enough room. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.